So let us solve another problems involving your quiz. So 1 gallon of paint with a volume equal to 3.78 times 10 raised to negative 3 meter cube covers an area of 25 meters square. What is the thickness of fresh paint on the wall? So take note that our volume is equal to area of the base times height. Take note that your height is interchangeable with your thickness. Okay? So if we draw diagram on the paint wall, so let's say this will be your wall. This is your wall, and then you have a thickness of your fresh paint. Okay, wherein your thickness is equal to unknown, and your area was already given as 25 meter square. So the best thing to do is to tabulate the given values. 3.78 times 10 raised to negative 3 for your volume, and for your area we have 25 meters squared. So let us substitute the value. We have 3.78 times 10 raised to negative 3 meter cube, which is equal to area of the base, which is 25 meters squared, multiplied by our height or our thickness. So solving for our thickness, we have our thickness is equal to 3.78 times 10 raised to negative 3 divided by 25. Take note that this is in meter cube divided by our meter square. So, yung kagandahan ng pag alam mo yung unit is that, kakancel lahat mo yan, meter cube divided by meter cube. So, meter cube minus 2. 3 minus 2, di ba? So, may meter ka. We have our thickness, which is equal to 3.78 times 10 raised to negative 3. So, bring out your calculator and calculate the value. We have 1.512 times 10 raised to negative 4 meter. Tama? So, alam natin na may meter tayo. So, convert natin to meter into unknown. Na tinatanong natin is in milli-inch. Pag maglalagay kayo ng answer sa LMS, isipin nyo lagi na may units na. Tignan nyo kung may units na dati. Pag may units na dati which is milli-inch, convert sa milli-inch. Okay? So, in my subject, you must be mindful of the prefixes used in your scientific notation para mag-input na lang ng units, ng values yung ilalagay nyo. So, most of you, nakalimutan na may unit na pala, which is milli-inch. So, linagay pa lahat yung times 10 raised to negative 3, blah, 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 di ba? So, kailangan mong i-convert yan sa milli-inch, which is milli stands for prefix, a prefix which stands for times 10 raised to negative 3. So in this case, you have 1.512 times 10 raised to negative 4 meter. We all know that there is a 100 centimeter per meter. Okay? So ika-cancel natin yung meter natin kasi meter divided by meter is 1, right? Times our centimeter to inch. Every inch, we have 2.54 centimeter. Exact yan, right? So, canceling this out. So, we have a value equal to, so, times 100 divided by 2.54. So, we have 5.95275 times 10 raised to negative 3. Sir, hindi ba dapat 0.6 yung sagot kasi nga round up ko na siya sa nearest hundredths. So considering that I want to get milli-inch, so therefore, convert mo yan sa 5.95275 milli-inch. Okay? Ba't may milli-inch? Okay? So, para natin yung round up, so take that 2 yung kasunod ng 5, so therefore, we will have a value equal to 5.95 milli-inch. Mag-round down yan. Okay? Next. Okay, tignan muna. So, next tayo. So, convert the acceleration of gravity into yard per hour square. So, acceleration of gravity is equal to mega yard hour square. So, gusto natin makakuha ng mega yard per hour square. Okay? So, baka malito kayo sa symbol na to. It means it is an exponent of hour. Hindi siya exponent ng r. Okay? Hour squared yan. So, naka-indicate sa problem ko na gagamitin natin yung constant of your calculator with shift 735. So, in this problem, I want you to explore more your calculator because in face-to-face learning, sometimes yung magsisave sa'yo is your knowledge or your familiarity in your calculator. So, may mga constants tayo sa calculator natin from 1 to 40. Okay? So, shift 735. 49991 ES users. Shift 795. Shift 735. Okay? So, we have 9 point acceleration of gravity. Acceleration of gravity is equal to 9.80665. But actually, ang ginagamit natin dyan is 9.81. You can, this 9.80665 meters squared was derived using your Newton's third law of motion, yung mass at yung gravitational rule ni Newton. Okay? Which is 9.80665 meter per second squared. Pwede mo rin gamitin yun sa pag-derive ng gravity ng buwan. Ng kahit anong planet. Okay? So, 9.80665 meter per second squared. So, we have this acceleration of gravity. So, gusto natin kunin yung mega yard per hour square. So, how will we do that? We all know that there is 3.28 feet per meter and there is 3 for every yard there is 3 feet. Tama ba? Okay? So, cancelling out your feet and meter, we'll already have your yard per second square. But we all know that in every hour there are 3,600 seconds. 3,600 seconds per hour. How? 60 times 60, tama ba? 60 seconds, 60 minutes times 60 seconds, so 3,600. So, wag niyong kakalimutan i-square yan. Right? So, therefore, we will cancel out your s squared because s squared divided by s squared is equal to 1. Right? So, we have an acceleration of gravity in yard per hour squared, which is equal to shift 735 times 3.28 times 1 over 3 times 3,600 squared. So, multiply natin yan. So, pag naka-complex kayo, hindi nyo pwede gamitin yung ing. So, ilagay nyo siya sa normal, yung calculator nyo, para malagay nyo siya sa scientific notation na gusto nyo. So, mapapansin nyo, meron kang 138.9563078 times 10 raised to 6, or it is equal to 100 mega yard, di ba? 138.996 mega. So, pag malaking M, mega yan. Pag maliit na M, milli. Okay? Mega means times 10 raised to 6. Okay? So, we have mega yard per hour squared. That is our acceleration of gravity. Next. So, the mass of proton to ounce. Mass of proton to ounce. So, pag mga ganitong bagay, pwede natin gamitin yung calculator natin. Okay? So, ito yung calculator natin. Take note that this calculator is also applicable for our 991 ES and EX. Actually, this calculator is like your EX, 991 EX. Pag may 991 EX kayo, built-in na yung units, yung mga constant and the conversion of units. Okay? Shift 7, constant. Take note that kinukuha natin yung mass of proton. Okay? Wherein we have, pag nasa calculator dun kayo, shift 7, 1 yan. Shift 7, 0, 1. Okay? So, in this constant, you can see that it is a kilogram. Okay? Ang hinahanap natin is in ounce. So, simple conversion lang ulit. Shift times 1,000 multiplied by 1,000 times multiplied by 1,000. Bakit multiplied by 1,000? Because 1 kilogram, we have 1,000 grams, right? So, shift 8 conversion ulit. May conversion of unit ka. So, kunin mo yun. Ounce to gram, pounds to kilogram. So, meron tayong gram to ounce. Tama? Yan. 5.9 times 10 raised to negative 26 yung sagot niya. So, in this problem, I just want you to familiarize yourself into your conversion of units in your calculator. Okay? Kasi sa board, hindi mo kailangan i-memorize lahat. Minsan, kailangan mo din i-familiarize yung calculator mo para malaman mo yung mga gusto mo pang i-memorize or pwede mo pang i-memorize or kung ano yung hindi na. Katulad ng hands, feet, di ba? Hindi mo na siya, kailangan mo siyang i-memorize kasi nga wala siya sa calculator mo. Okay? So, we have, the answer is 5.9 times 10 raised to negative 26. Okay, so mass of proton, this is in kilogram. So, convert it in gram, 1,000 grams. And then, ko-convert natin siya from ounce to gram. Okay, from our ounce to gram, you all know that in our conversion of our calculator, 1 gram is equal to 0.03527. Okay? So, shift 701 times 1,000 times 0.03527. So, we have a value equal to 5.9. Ounce. Okay, next. Let us convert the speed of light into petahand per inch. Use the constant of your calculator. So, ano ba yung constant natin dyan sa speed of light na yan? Shift 728. Ba? Shift 728 yan sa 991 ES nyo, which is equal to 299,792,458. This is meters per second. It is roundable into 3 times 10 raised to 8 meters per second. So, ito yung exact speed of light natin. But actually, it is not yet the constant na value ng speed of light natin. Baka mas mabilis pa yan dyan. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 3 times 10 raised to 8. So, meters per second in petahand per month. Take note that 1 hand is equal to 4 inches. No? So, convert natin yung meter mo sa centimeter. So, we have 100 centimeter per meter times we have 1 inch is equal to 2.54 cm, right? So, multiplied by our 1 hand is equal to inch, right? So, makakancel yung inch mo. So, 1 inch. Makakancel yung inch. Makakancel yung centimeter. Makakancel yung meter. Matitira is seconds. Okay? 1 hand per second. Take note that in 1 hand there are 4 inches actually. 4 inches yan. 4 inches per hand. Okay? In hour, seconds, so there are 3,600 seconds per hour, and then we have 24 hours per day, and we have an average of 30 days a month. Okay? So, cancelling out the similar units, so we'll have a value equal to CO, or the speed of light in meters per second, times 100 centimeter per meter, times 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter, times 1 hand is equal to 4 inches, times 3,600 seconds, times 24 hours per day, times 30 days per month. So we'll have a value of 7.6482 times 10 raised to 15 hand per month. Take note that this prefix 15 stand for your peta. 7.6482 peta hand per month. Okay? But in my instruction, so I will accept 7.65 petahand per month. Okay? Next problem. Meron pa pala tayong isa dito. So, assume there are 100 million passenger cars in United States. And it has an efficiency of 20 miles per gallon of gasoline. If the average distance by each car is 100 miles per year, how much gasoline would be saved per year if the average fuel efficiency could be increased to 25 miles per gal? So, take note that you cannot subtract immediately your 25 miles per gal into 20 miles per gal. Hindi pwede yun. So, kukunin tayo ng gallons per year, no? So, meron kang 100 million passenger cars. So, consider mo yung 100 million passenger cars mo. And then, average fuel efficiency mo is 20 miles per gallon of gasoline. So, average efficiency mo, you have 20 miles per gallon. 20 miles per gallon of gasoline. So if the average distance traveled by each car is 1,000 miles per year, how much gasoline would be saved per year if the average fuel efficiency could be increased to 25 miles per gallon? So ang gawin natin is that, we know that there are 100 million cars in the United States. And then meron tayong 20 miles per gallon. So 20 miles per gallon. So at 20 miles per gallon. So we have 20 miles per gallon. And then of gasoline. So if the average distance traveled by each car is 1,000 miles per year, so 1,000 miles per year, so tabulate natin yan, 1,000 miles per year is the average distance traveled by each car, so per car. And we have 100 million passenger cars. 100 times 10 raised to 6 cars. Then, meron pa tayong 20 miles per gallon. So, saan natin nilalagay yung 20 miles per gallon natin? So, definitely, di-divide natin to. Bakit? Kanyo? So, ito yung kagandahan ng cancellations of unit. And then, meron kang end unit. Yung end unit natin is gigagal per hour. Okay? 20 miles per gallon. Okay? Yung end unit natin is gallon per year. So, which means, pag inisip nyo yan, gallon per year yung pwede kong kunin per efficiency ng 20 miles and 25 miles. So therefore, meron tayong passenger cars na given na 100 million per year per car. And then, meron tayong 100 million cars sa United States. So therefore, pwede kong gamitin yung unit na yan. Sa cancelling out similar unit, miles and miles, okay? Siyempre, divide natin to. Yung tunggal natin, tataas yan, tama? So, we'll have a value equal to 1,000 times 100 times 10 raised to 6 times 20 or multiplied by 20. So, we'll have 2 times 10 raised to 12. Hindi siya multiplied. Actually, divide siya. So, divided by 20. 1,000 times 100 times 10 raised to 6 divided by 20. So, we'll have 5 times 10 raised to 9. Okay, 5 times 10 raised to 9. Next is your 25. So, at 25 gallon, at 25 miles per gallon, so, yung 25 naman yung i-divide natin dito. Okay? So, gallon per year at 20 miles. So, 25 gallon per year naman yung gamitin natin. Gal per year at 25. Okay, so we have 1,000 miles per year times 100 times 10 raised to 6 cars all over 25 miles per gallon. So, pag wala ka ng talagang kapag-asal sa mga quizzes mo, so, the best thing to hack is to know the units. Yun yung pinakamagandang sandigan, yung units of measurement natin. So, we have 1,000 times 100 times 10 raised to 6 divided by 25. So, we'll have a value equal to 4 times 10 raised to 9 gallons per year. Okay? So 100 billion passenger cars. Then may average fuel efficiency tayo na 20, then 25. Okay? So pag kinuha natin 'yan, kung ano nga ba yung fuel save. So we have gal per year, kung ano yung dati nating efficiency, gallon per year, less gallon per year, dun sa bago nating efficiency. Kung may masave ba tayo, pag may nasave tayo, it means positive yan. Pero pag negative yan, wala tayo na-save, okay? So we have 5 times 10 raised to 9 less 4 times 10 raised to 9. So we have 1 times 10 raised to 9 gallon per year, which means that we have 1 gigagallon. 1 gigagal per year. Okay? Yan yung na-save natin. Okay? Let's check the other other aspects of this problem. 1,000. So 10,000 pala siya dapat. Kaya pala. So 10,000. So 10,000. So magta-times 10 tayo. Since this is 10,000. Okay, magta-times 10 ka lang. 10,000. 10,000. Okay. So 40. 50. This is 10 gallons per year. Kaya pa nagtaka ko, no? Yan. Most of your solutions, yung iba, is that sinubtract lang agad yung 20 minus 25 and then nag-multiply sila ng ganun. So mapapansin nyo, pag finactor out natin yung 10,000 and 100 times 10 raised to 6. So we have 10,000 multiplied by 100 times 10 raised to 6. 100 times 10 raised to 6. Pag finactor out natin yan, matitira is 1 all over 20 less 1 all over 25. Yan, diba? So, your fuel save is equal to, so pag sinubtract mo yan, 1 all over 20 less 1 over 25, makakuha ka ng sagot na 0.01. So, 0.01 multiplied by this value, which is 10,000 times 100 times 10 raised to 6, we have a value equal to 10 gigagal per year.